just going to review this student's project here, and just a couple things to note. This first page, there's something weird's going on, and then on the second page you can see the line of the outside of the title block here. I did a test print, and I wasn't really able to get this first page looking better, and then the second page and the rest of the pages kind of made it look worse. So I'm just going to do a little digging. The first thing I just want to check is we're going to click this title block, and we're going to just verify the size of it. I just suspect that it's not 11 by 17, which it's not. So we're just going to change this to 17, and we're going to change this height to 11. I'm just going to bring this stuff over half an inch, so it's centered. So that should be the first thing. The second thing I notice, as soon as you hover over these images, the images are actually bigger than the view, which is what I suspect is going on. So I'm going to, I don't actually have these images, so let me just see if I can do this. I'm going to create a new drafting view up in the view tab here, and we're going to call this render 1. And let me just see if I can drag, cut that, see if I can paste this in here. Yeah, there we go. And then we're just going to do another drafting view and call render 2. Use the Control X on my keyboard to cut that, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here in drafting views. I'm going to place these two views on here. I'm going to, I will leave the title on there. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to scale these. I'll change the scale, so we'll go to 1/4 inch. No, wrong way. So, nope, scale I guess doesn't really matter for this, but so that 12 inches is a foot. And what I would normally do is I'd actually turn off this view title. I guess I can show you how to do that briefly. So we're going to go up into here. I'm going to duplicate this title, and I'm going to call it no title. And then we're just going to, I'll go over here and click none, title, none, click OK, no title, there we go. I'm just going to go in here, I'm going to see if this makes a difference. I was hoping to get a crop region, but we're not getting one right now. Yeah. Yeah, let's just see if this works. If it doesn't work, we might have to put these renders on separate pages. That might be the only solution. So I'm just going to click print up here. We want paper size to be 11 by 17. We want a center. We want a print zoom to 100%. I'm just going to save this as 11 by 17, and I think everything else looks good there. I have my sheet selected already. Now we're just going to click OK. I'm just going to pause this and wait for it to print. So I have our PDF back up, and it looks like that did the trick. I guess just the drafting views, because it's within a view, it knows to cut off anything that is not on the sheet, whereas for some reason Revit was trying to put the whole image on the sheet, so it was ignoring a bit of the title block. Not sure exactly why it was doing that, but hopefully that's a solution to that problem.